To start the painting, I typically like to begin with some type of base layer, and this painting is gonna be in black and white. But for the base layer, I'm gonna go with this color called burnt umber, just a brown color, um, and I'm gonna dilute it quite a bit. And I'm using this 1-inch wash brush from Princeton. It's just a large flat brush that holds a decent amount of water. And yeah, I'm just gonna paint within the silhouette of the initial graphite sketch. So I like to start gouache paintings off with a dilute layer of gouache. So it's diluted to the point where it actually resembles watercolor. And this is just to give myself a starting place, just to stain the paper, and then I can build on top of it later. Having this different color down lets me know how thick to make the paint layers that will be applied on top of it. It gives me a way to gauge the opacity of the future layers that I'll be using. So right now I'm just trying to paint and stay within the lines and just add an even layer, an even coating of this dilute gouache mixture. You can also use watercolor if you'd like, but I'm using gouache here. When you dilute gouache can resemble watercolor to a certain extent. Alrighty, so finished that first layer. I'm going to speed up the drying process with the dryer so that we can move on to the next step.